Tucson is not family friendly, specifically kid friendly. We have 3 younger kids who want to do fun things, and there's literally nothing. Every park we went to was closed to the public. Houston and I never thought after it's been 4 days that we would get tired of the place already. It's not kid friendly. There's no RV parks that are 55 or older.
Where are we going? What are we doing? Where are we having this baby? What's the plan?
I guess we'll have to find out, because I think we changed our mind again.
Is Arizona really it? Or do we go somewhere else?
Or is it just Tucson?
Hey guys, is Tucson really kid friendly? Spend a winter here with us? Let us know. Park number 1, let's go. Park number 2. So, as you guys can see, a lot of these parks are gated, or there's HOAs, or
You have to be a member of the community.
Yeah, or they're locked. And I think it's a lot of the reason to do with the homeless and just, what are those, boondockers or whatever?
Yeah. People who just stop in parking lot.
We just drove in there and it felt as people just looked at us and knew that we were not from there or something. I don't know. We didn't have a pass. I don't know. But yeah. Yeah, but it's hard to find a playground here in Arizona because I feel it's not
not
friendly.
Just Arizona. We've only been to Tucson so far. Tucson is not family friendly, specifically kid friendly. We have 3 younger kids who want to do fun things, and there's literally nothing. Every park we went to was closed to the public. You have to live in the community or pay into the HOA or whatever. They're nice parks.
So if you guys have any recommendations on where you guys would winter
I don't know
next
about
year,
Arizona. I'm glad we did it. I'm glad we did the Arizona thing, but I don't think I will ever do it again.
Let us know where you guys would winter with 5 kids, because we have 5. And yeah, crazy, right? Mm-hmm. We got 5. And I don't know. I think I want 2 more. But no, yeah, so just let us know in the comments down below where you guys would recommend to winter, because there's always next year, and we're gonna definitely be on the road next year. Things are gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna have a little bit of we're gonna be kind of starting fresh from ground zero, technically, with a newborn baby. I think you're starting over, kind of. Because you got to do things a little different, do things a little bit better. I think we should start talking about that, what we're gonna do to prepare for the baby and what we should do. And if you guys have any recommendations, what you did, living in a full-timing in an RV, let us know in the comments down below. But until then, subscribe, show all your friends, don't miss out, hit that follow button, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.
Houston and I never thought after it's been 4 days that we would get tired of a place already. The traffic. So this whole side of the road over here got shut down because of a fatality. We get it. Okay. They're doing construction, so it all reduces down to 1 lane anyways. And then these truckers drive crazy, and then the bikes drive crazy. And we've already seen a head-on collision with the bike, or what?
2 of them, I think. We've only been here for freaking 4 or 5 days.
We're kind of over it. It's not family friendly, and this freaking road, what happens if I go into labor early? How would an ambulance get down this road? Right. How would I go?
Right here.
There's nothing down there. There's not enough room. I would literally give birth in the truck, I think. Houston?
I wonder what happened. Would I tell them that if I traded it in?
Would we keep it? I don't know. But yeah,
so many questions.
So it's not kid friendly. There's no RV park. They're all 55 or older.
So what are we gonna do? Where are we going? What are we doing? Where are we having this baby? What's the plan?
I guess we'll have to find out because I think we changed our mind again.
Is Arizona really it? Or do we go somewhere else?
Or is it just Tucson?
Do we stay in Arizona? Do we go somewhere else in Arizona? Do we go to Nevada? We're close to Nevada. We're close to California. We're close to Colorado.
Is the problem just Tucson?
Or is it just Tucson? I don't know. I'm so...
But this is freaking ridiculous. We had to drive an hour and a half around to miss this traffic. And now we're in traffic again.
Day 100 of life on I-10. Yeah. It's a week out from Christmas, and this is terrible. This is ridiculous. This is, it's been like this every day, non-stop. I don't know when a good time is to travel. It's crazy. But, yeah. So, we're trying to just go into town. I guess it would be into town, right?
Kind of.
Into town to get, just get a little snack or a little treat. I don't know. Just get out of the house. Yeah. But, come along with us. Hang out on this long, boring, probably 2-hour adventure when it could be 30 minutes. Let's go.
It's so hard to find a campsite that isn't 55-year-olds or older. We feel like and the places we do find are so overpopulated with people who look down upon you to even let your kids play outside.
Because you have kids.
So we feel like we have to constantly tell them to be quiet, or they can't go outside and play openly, or like literally there's only 1 KOA in Tucson where it's kid friendly. It's the Tucson KOA. Other than that, the lady that we spoke to, she said she had the same issue. She has 4 kids like we do.
Yep.
And she couldn't find a place that was kid friendly in Tucson. And it's true, there's literally all the older people come here in winter and then look down on people who full-time with kids don't want us to stay
So is Florida the same way? Let us know in our comments down below, because
we're not doing this
it's summer and it's winter now. It's about to be summer, so we have to find some summer plans, or maybe we do have some, and you guys are going to want to hit that like button. Definitely subscribe, because if you are new here, we're a family of 7. We travel full-time. We're getting ready to have another baby, and
we're not going to do this another winter. Tucson or maybe Arizona as a whole is just not for our family.
I don't know. We haven't really went up to we've only went halfway of Arizona. We haven't been the upper part of Arizona. We want to go see that, and we're definitely going to take you guys with us when we do go there.
The answer to your question, should you come to Tucson if you have a boatload of kids? Should you come expecting anything other than some
a lot of parks,
animosity towards your kids, and parks that are closed? Well, there's a lot of border patrol right now too. I mean, obviously with the climate that's happening right now, there's a lot of border patrol. But I mean, our biggest thing is not kid friendly. There's tons of 55-year-old older parks. Try to find one that's not 55 years or older is not fun.
So in the search, you have to really try to find one that's not 55 or older.
Well, and even at some of the parks that are 55 years or older, there's still a stigma of older people looking at you like you're crazy that you're there.
Seriously. Or how are you guys full time?
No, they look at you crazy like, why are you there? Your kids, you have too many kids. We really felt as a whole, out of being here for like, what, we've been here December, January, February, like almost 4 months. I feel like it's just a lot of people who don't feel like they should have younger people here. And if you're at a RV park, you can't let your kids out because then they're too loud. Then,
or like, because Ruben, he likes, like, when he's running from you, he's like,
he likes to play
he's
games.
just playing, you know?
Yeah.
And Graceland, the same way. Sylviana,
there was
the same
one
way.
park
And
that someone warned us and said, it's a bunch of old grumpy people, so just be prepared that they might complain. And we're like,
and she was the sweetest. Oh, I love her.
it's a bunch of old grumpy people, so
And
be
she was like
prepared.
86 or 87,
and that place-
and she said, I'm not grumpy and I'm not old.
But that place was half and half, so half the community was 55 years and older.
Yep.
And half was, it was open to like anybody over 21. You had to be 21 to reserve the place. And so what part of this is 55 years or older? And she said all of it. I'm like, ugh. Oh, that's fun.
So you guys see, we have a 3-year-old, a 7-year-old, and a 4-year-old.
So we pulled up, and it was, there's half the community is 55 years or older, and half the community is open to like the public. And I said, well, so which part is 55 years or older? And she said, all of it. And I'm like, ugh. So then we spent like a week or two telling our kids to be quiet, telling them they can't go outside and play. Shh, like, no. Because he's 3.
Dinosaur.
And he wants to be dinosaur. So yeah.
So if you guys are in Arizona,
Pre-warning you, it's very difficult in the southern part of Arizona to find things.
if you guys have found something or have a little hidden gem, maybe drop it in the comments down below or something, and we'll check it out.
But this isn't just us saying it. Like, Houston made a friend at a park we finally found. It took us a while, but we found one. He made a friend there, and she said, how do you guys find a place that's not Tucson KOA that's kid friendly? Because she's like, I couldn't find anything, and she was trying to winter there with her family, like her parents and stuff.
Yep.
And she couldn't find anything, and I'm like, I didn't know it would be that hard.
No, and I mean, so they were nice people and very nice people, and so we just started talking, and yeah, she's like, wait, you guys travel full time? Yeah, we do. You do too? And she's like, yeah. Where are you guys at? Because you're not at the Tucson KOA, because I would have seen you.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's how slim pickings it is here.
And
if you
the
have
Tucson
kids.
KOA is like $2,200 a month.
What?
I could be in Florida for $2,200 a month.
But yeah.
So yeah, if you have a family, if you're a full-time traveling family and you want to go through Tucson, Arizona, good luck. We'll have some recommendations in the next couple months.
Yep.
But until then,
Like, subscribe, so our friends don't miss out. Hit that follow button, and if you guys like this content, you guys are gonna want to definitely hit that subscribe button. And we definitely appreciate you. Catch you guys on the next one. Later.